Hello everyone, this is Beth from Mining. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are unboxing the INIBOX Pro and running a quick performance test. Here is the original INIBOX next to the INIBOX Pro, and the size difference is quite obvious. Let's open the box and take a closer look. Inside, we have the INIBOX Pro miner, securely packed. The machine feels solid and well built. Setup is very simple. Just connect Ethernet and power cable, then turn on the miner to start the system. The noise level measures around 76 decibels. Let's check the hash rate. After running for about 2 hours, the miner reaches around 2.4 GHz per second, showing a solid performance so far. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Welcome to join our Telegram group to get more information. See you next time.